Hello everyone. Today, we're going to revisit and reinforce our understanding of one of the most fascinating topics in Earth science, Earth's tectonic plates. These giant pieces of the Earth's crust are constantly moving, and their movements shape many of the landforms we see around us, like mountains, earthquakes, and volcanoes. We'll review what tectonic plates are, how they move, and the different types of plate boundaries. By the end of this lesson, you'll have a clearer picture of how our dynamic Earth works beneath our feet. So, let's get started and dive into the world of Earth's plates. Multiple choice questions on Earth's plates. 1. What are Earth's large, rigid sections called? A. Continents. B. Tectonic plates. C. Oceans. D. Mountains. 2. The Earth's crust is divided into A. Layers of magma. B. Tectonic plates. C. Ocean currents. D. Continents only. 3. Which of the following is not a type of plate boundary? A. Divergent. B. Convergent. C. Transform. D. Circular. 4. What happens at a divergent plate boundary? A. Plates slide past each other. B. Plates move away from each other. C. Plates collide and form mountains. D. Plates sink into the mantle. 5. Which type of boundary is associated with the formation of mountain ranges? A. Divergent boundary. B. Convergent boundary. C. Transform boundary. D. All of the above. 6. The Himalayas were formed by the collision of which two plates? A. Indian plate and Eurasian plate. B. Pacific plate and North American plate. C. African plate and Antarctic plate. D. Australian plate and South American plate. 7. Which of the following is a result of plate movement? A. Earthquakes. B. Volcanoes. C. Mountain formation. D. All of the above. 8. The Pacific plate is located under which ocean? A. Atlantic Ocean. B. Indian Ocean. C. Pacific Ocean. D. Arctic Ocean. 9. Earthquakes are most common along A. Stable continental interiors. B. Plate boundaries. C. Deep ocean basins. D. Mountain peaks. 10. Which of the following is an example of a transform boundary? A. San Andreas Fault in California. B. Mid-Atlantic Ridge. C. Himalayas. D. The Andes. 11. What is the main cause of plate tectonics? A. Ocean currents. B. The Earth's rotation. C. Movements in the Earth's mantle. D. Atmospheric pressure. 12. The process where one tectonic plate sinks beneath another is called A. Subduction. B. Divergence. C. Collision. D. Lateral slipping. 13. Which plate is responsible for the volcanic activity in the Pacific Ring of Fire? A. Eurasian plate. B. African plate. C. Pacific plate. D. Indian plate. 14. Which of the following features is typically found at a convergent boundary? A. Rift valley. B. Deep ocean trench. C. Mid-ocean ridge. D. All of the above. 15. The movement of tectonic plates is caused by A. Wind. B. Convection currents in the mantle. C. Tidal forces. D. Ocean waves. 16. Which country is located on the boundary of the Indian plate and Eurasian plate? A. Japan. B. India. C. Chile. D. Canada. 17. The San Andreas Fault is an example of which type of plate boundary? A. Divergent. B. Convergent. C. Transform. D. Subduction. 18. Which of the following is not a landform created by plate tectonics? A. Volcanoes. B. Mountains. C. Rivers. D. Ocean trenches. Hey there. Before we move on to question 19, I just want to check in. How are you feeling so far? I hope this review is helping you understand Earth's plates better. Remember, your progress is my success. If you're finding these lessons useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. I've been getting some great feedback. Students are performing really well in their exams, and that's what it's all about. So keep up the good work, stay focused, and let's keep moving forward together. Now, let's dive into question 19. 19. The Atlantic Ocean is mainly formed by A. Divergent boundary spreading. B. Convergent boundary collision. C. Transform fault movement. D. Subduction zones. 20. The term plate tectonics refers to A. The movement of Earth's crustal plates. B. The flow of ocean currents. C. The Earth's atmospheric patterns. D. The movement of tectonic minerals. 21. Which part of the Earth is responsible for moving the tectonic plates? A. The outer core. B. The mantle. C. The crust. D. The inner core. 22. The Andes mountain range was formed by A. Divergent boundary. B. Divergent boundary. C. Convergent boundary. D. Transform boundary. 23. The Ring of Fire is known for its A. Desert areas. B. Earthquakes and volcanoes. C. Coral reefs. D. Large rivers. 24. Which of the following is a consequence of plate subduction? A. Formation of islands. B. Earthquakes. C. Deep ocean trenches. D. All of the above. 25. How many major tectonic plates are there approximately? A. 5. B. 10. C. 15. D. 20. 26. The movement of plates can cause A. Tsunamis. B. Volcano eruptions. C. Earthquakes. D. All of the above. 27. The boundary between the Indian plate and the Eurasian plate is responsible for A. The formation of the Himalayas. B. The Great Rift Valley. C. The Andes Mountains. D. The San Andreas Fault. 28. Which two plates are involved in forming the Alps? A. African plate and Eurasian plate. B. Indian plate and Eurasian plate. C. Pacific plate and North American plate. D. South American plate and African plate. 29. Which of the following best describes a divergent boundary in the ocean? A. Plates move apart, forming new crust. B. Plates collide, creating mountains. C. Plates slide past each other, causing earthquakes. D. Plates sink into the mantle. 30. The process of continents drifting apart is called A. Continental drift. B. Plate collision. C. Subduction. D. Mountain building. 31. Which ocean is growing wider due to divergent plate boundaries? A. Atlantic Ocean. B. Indian Ocean. C. Arctic Ocean. D. Pacific Ocean. 33. Which of these features is not associated with plate tectonics? A. Volcanoes. B. Earthquakes. C. Hurricanes. D. Mountain ranges. 34. The theory of plate tectonics was developed in the A. 1600s. B. 1900s. C. 1800s. D. 2000s. 35. Which continent is primarily affected by the movement of the African plate and the Eurasian plate? A. South America. B. Asia. C. Africa. D. Australia. 36. The Pacific plate is moving in which direction? A. Northward. B. Southward. C. Westward. D. It varies. 37. Which of the following is a consequence of the movement of tectonic plates? A. Formation of new islands. B. Changes in climate. C. Formation of deserts. D. All of the above. 38. The formation of the Atlantic Ocean is mainly caused by A. Divergent boundary movement. B. Convergent boundary collision. C. Transform faulting. D. Subduction zones. 39. Which of the following is an example of a mountain formed by plate collision? A. Mount Everest. B. Mount Kilimanjaro. C. Mount Fuji. D. Mount Etna. 40. The Earth's lithosphere is divided into A. Continents only. B. Plates that float on the semifluid mantle. C. Layers of rocks only. D. Oceanic and continental crust only.